In this video, we're making a flavorful mushroom cauliflower risotto that's a great weeknight meal, full of flavor, and it's also an excellent crowd pleaser. I've served this to dinner guests who not only enjoyed it, but begged me for the recipe. So let's get started making a delicious cauliflower risotto. The ingredients are simple. I'm using frozen cauliflower rice, frozen peas, some of my delicious homemade vegetable stock, but you could also easily use chicken stock, baby portobello mushrooms, a quarter of a red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, some fresh Italian parsley, and some Parmesan cheese. To get started, dice up your mushrooms and set those aside. Finally, dice up the onion. I'm using a garlic press to mince up the garlic. And then finally chop up the parsley. Heat up a pan over medium-high heat and add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Add in the onions and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add in the garlic and fry for another 30 seconds. Add in the mushrooms and then cook for about 5 minutes until the mushrooms have shriveled up a little bit and are a nice deep brown color. Add in the cauliflower rice and cook for 1 minute. Add in the stock to help cook the cauliflower and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. And to help recreate that starchy feeling, we're going to add a little bit of starch here. So I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of stock. And that's kind of one of the hallmarks of a good risotto is that starchiness. So it's important to add a little bit of starch here. It's a little bit of carbs, but it's really not that much over the whole dish. Add in the peas, cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in the Parmesan cheese. Stir that all up really well and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add in your parsley. Stir and serve. Hey, not bad.